everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair, and today I'm going to show you a really simple style. It's a French braid and I'm going to show you how to turn it into a fast updo. So I'm just going to add a little bit of texture to the hair just to give it a bit of grip. So I'm just using like a clay spray just to sort of help me sort of give the hair a little bit of structure. So I've decided not to add any back comb today. You could add a little bit just at the top of the crown area, but I'm not going to bother. I'm going to keep it dead quick, dead simple. I'm going to take a section of hair from this crown area here, and we're going to start an ordinary French braid. So we're going to break it into 3. We're going to cross over the middle, cross over the middle, cross over the middle, and then you're going to add a section of hair, but I don't want you to add from like the side and bring your hand up. I want you to add from the top and kind of bring it this way. So taking from this side again, so again I haven't come up with my finger, I've gone from the top and brought it down, so the sections are kind of like diagonally sweeping downwards. And I want it to keep this braid kind of firm, but not like super tight, okay? I don't want a little bit of wiggle, not too much. Go again. Adding in, holding down, crossing over. You'll just keep doing this all the way till you get to the nape of the neck. So once you've got to the nape of the neck, you're just going to continue that braid down and just tie an elastic at the end. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to just feel underneath this braid, and you're going to feel for like a pocket, and just make sure, just using your fingers, that there's a nice sort of pocket going up the back of this braid here. So next what I want you to do is I want you to sort of like tuck this underneath, and you're going to just pick this braid up. So you're just going to lift it up like that, and it's just going to give a much more of a sort of updo feel. So you found your little pocket, and you're just going to feed this braid up through that hole. Then you're going to take some hairpins, hair grips. You're just going to feed it through these side sections and then push down. So then I'm just going to go back in now, and you can kind of just leave it as it is, but just watch by just kind of like teasing up these different sections of the hair. We're going to make it look like less like it's just a French braid and more like an actual updo. So this is the style from the front, just that little bit of lift, no back comb needed. You can choose whether you want these side bits out or not. I'm going to do a little spin with Maggie so you can see from all angles. So I just love that sweeping effect, and it's up and off the neck, so it's more like an updo. And then back to the front. Let me know in the comments if you like this style, and I'll see you again soon.